In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on the official Google AI Studio page. This will take you to the platform where you can generate and build projects using Google's AI tools. When you arrive on the site, click on Start Building. This opens the workspace where you can begin creating your website. If this is your first time using the platform, take a moment to look around so you feel comfortable with the layout before moving on. Next, type in your prompt or paste in a finished prompt if you already have one prepared. This prompt is what tells the AI what kind of website you want to create, so make sure your instructions are clear and specific. The better your prompt is, the more useful the generated website will be. After entering your prompt, click on Settings. In this section, choose the latest model available. Using the latest model is important because it usually gives you better quality output, improved accuracy, and a smoother overall building experience. Once that's done, click on Framework. From the available options, select Next. This framework is commonly used for modern websites and helps structure the project in a way that's fast and efficient. Choosing the correct framework here makes sure your generated site is built in the format you want from the start. After selecting Next.js, click on Control. At this point, the AI will begin creating your website based on your prompt and settings. Give it a little time to process everything and generate the result. When the website is finished, you can go in and edit it manually if needed. That's especially useful if you want to fine-tune the layout, adjust text, or customize the final look. And that's how to make a website with Google AI Studio.